Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Goes a long way. I know I asked about the haul videos and didn't really get any feedback on it except for one person, the homie Bobby Sneaker World. Appreciate that. So I'm going to do a small haul of a couple of things I picked up. Nothing long, nothing dragged out like the last one. Just 3 items. And then the other one, I'm going to do a separate video for it. So let's get to this one first. I got a few good things. The first thing I have is a book. It is called Content Mapping. Small book I got off Amazon from Henry Adasso. It is unlocking the power of content to increase engagement, leads, and sales. So this is a good book. I'm going to check that out. I'm breezing right through them. The next one we have is the book from the man himself, Mr. Virgil Abloh. Something's Off. This book is heavy. Virgil Abloh Icons. This is a heavy book. I can't lie to you. This book is heavy as, yeah, it's heavy. So let's take a look at it. Volume 1, Icons. I mean, I'm not gonna go through every page, but we'll breeze through it. Just a lot of, I know they have pictures. You know, you grown, you buying books for pictures. But yeah, inside the book, it has pictures like as you see here of the blazer. If you can see that, the off-white blazer. So it's just different pictures and illustrations. And then it also has actual messages. So it has the text messages between Virgil and Nike. If you can see that. So it has the messages. So it's kind of like I'd say a capsule of his process in creating the 10. So this is cool, and it also has some in here, of course, that we haven't seen. So like here, he sent a concept which may come to light of a Converse with a Nike check on it, which we've seen before. So if you can see here, it's pictures of Converse with Nike checks with the Virgil branding. So this is dope. This is dope. I'm definitely gonna sit down and go through this. They got dates of releases in here, so it's cool. It's a cool book with different concepts. So I'm definitely gonna check this out. If you don't have it, get it. It dropped on sneakers on the 22nd. Was that Friday? I actually was lucky enough to get mine from Good Books, one of the independent black-owned book stores that had it. And luckily, it sold out by the time I went and found out the books that had it. It sold out, but I put my email in and hit notify me when it restocks, and they actually sent me an email. And honestly, I think it seemed like it kind of saved it for me, because when I went, I shared the link. When they said it restocked, I bought one and I shared the link, but when I shared that link, it was sold out to everybody else. But for me, I was able to get in and get the book. So I don't know if it saved it for me in my card or something. No idea, but shout out to the good people at Good Books. I do appreciate that. I will be doing more business with you guys, so that is greatly appreciated. The last one I'm gonna get into was a steal. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them already, but this was a steal. Shout out to Ssense. Ssense had this shoe for, the retail price on this shoe was $275. It was on sale for $148. Fear God Essentials. You see it. So yeah, this was a good steal, man. Ssense, honestly, if you're not aware, man, I'll leave the link down in the description. Ssense has some steals, man. You catch them, you find some good steals on Ssense. Comes with a cloth bag for the shoe. And even on the pack, on the paper, it has the Essentials branding on the paper. Not sure if you can see it, but it has the Essentials branding on the paper of the actual shoe. And here we go. Fear God Essentials. I think this is called the gray and black distance, if I'm not mistaken. But overall dope shoe. You can see there the Essentials branding on the back. The tongue of the shoe is actually blank. There's nothing on the tongue. It just has the Fear of God and Essentials back here. But I like this shoe. This is a real nice shoe on the inside. The sole, the insole is actually leather. It's a leather insole. The only thing about this shoe that I'm nervous about is the sole. It is very slippery. Very slippery, because when I tried them on, I slid on the carpet when I was trying them on. So you got to be very careful with these. But overall, man, this is a dope, a nice little date night shoe. This is dope. Definitely gonna rock this. Yeah, and it has Fear of God here on the shoe. But that's pretty much it, man. I thank you guys for tuning in. I'm doing 2 videos a day. I'm doing this one, then I'm gonna knock out another video and an on feet of a pickup. It's late. I'm pretty sure there are plenty of videos out of it already, but so I just got the shoe in after almost a month of waiting on it, and we'll get to it. But I might give a little more detailed look of that book. Y'all want to see more of that book? I'm gonna show y'all a little more of the book. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, okay. So this is a timeline of everything that has came out already. Off-white releases that have been released already. So yeah, we got a few. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got 3 in 2003, 4, 5. 5 in 2020. Yeah. Yeah, this is dope. This is dope. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all this, and then I'm gonna do 2 videos today. I'm gonna pop up another video. I'm gonna show you guys more of the pages in here. We're gonna do another video. So we're gonna do 3 videos a day. So I'm gonna show y'all more of the book, and then we're gonna do another video. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned.